Colorado's own Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom is the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer, and their unbeatable 4th of July sale prices are happening now with the guaranteed lowest prices. We took a trip to their Thornton location. Take a look.
Patty, we're here at your beautiful showroom right near I-25 and 84th Avenue. So tell us more about your locations and your unbeatable 4th of July prices now.
We are Colorado's largest appliance and mattress dealer. Chances are we have a location near you. We have our Parker store at the corner of Lincoln and Parker Road, our Westminster store at Highway 36 in Sheridan next to Lowe's, and we're here at my store, the Thornton Superstore, off of I-25 at 84th. Plus, we have our stores in the mountains in Silverthorne and Avon. You can get our 4th of July prices today and save up to 70% off. Prices from the manufacturer have increased, but we still have stock that was bought prior to the price increases. Don't wait to buy. Manufacturer prices continue to go up.
Well, Patty, how do you truly save people money?
What makes us different is our special buys. We truly save customers money. We have exclusive contracts to buy thousands of manufacturer inventory overstocks. When the manufacturer supply chain gridlocks, the manufacturer has to get that product out of their warehouse. We buy that in the box overstock product. Here's an example of a KitchenAid product that we got. You can save almost 50% off when you buy this KitchenAid refrigerator. Mention the keyword freedom and get the range and microwave for free. We also have this Bosch 2-rack stainless dishwasher with 4-year no-interest financing. It MSRPs at $849. Mention the keyword freedom and you can get it for $599. It's an incredible price with the 4-year 0% financing.
Patty, tell us about your incredible laundry specials.
Well, we have this great set. It's a Whirlpool front load washer and dryer. You buy the washer at $12.98 and you can get the dryer for free. As long as you mention that keyword freedom, you can buy the washer and get the dryer for free. Then we also have this incredible special for 2 days only. It's a deluxe top load dryer. MSRP's at $599. Mention the keyword freedom and you can get our price at $349. But again, for 2 days only. We have thousands of new uncrated appliances with a full warranty. Anytime a box is damaged, the product is shipped back to the manufacturer. We buy that product at a huge discount. Take it out of the box, make sure it's in new condition, and then sell it to you at a huge discount. It's a new product with a full warranty. Like this Frigidaire stainless side-by-side refrigerator with ice and water. It MSRPs at $13.99. Mention the keyword freedom and our price is $7.99, saving almost 50% off.
That's a huge savings. Well, you guys don't only do appliances, you also have mattresses, so let's go check those out.
Let's go.
Patty, tell us about your incredible mattresses.
Well, we have all the newest mattresses on display. That includes Beauty Rest Black, Purple, Nectar, Casper, Dream Cloud, and Tempur-Pedic. Plus, we have an exclusive TV offer. The Sealy Queen Hybrid mattress that normally sells for $1,800. Mention the keyword freedom. When you buy the mattress at $1,099, you can get a heads-up adjustable base for free.
These are incredible 4th of July prices. Thank you so much for giving us a tour around your showroom.
Well, thank you so much for coming in.
And Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom's 4th of July sale prices are available now. You can get up to 70% off. Just visit appliancefactory.com for more information and to find a store nearest you, or call 720-772-3434. This was a sponsored segment. Stay with us.